Got my little nigga right there. Got my other nigga right there. He coming. We supposed to do a whole bunch of other shit today. Fucking, what the fuck is this? Let me open this shit up for this nigga.
I haven't been this John in a minute.
What's good, nigga?
What's good, nigga?
Where we going today?
We're going to shit. We're finna go shoot the ops. That's where we finna go.
What you lame ass up, nigga?
We finna go to the gun range. Shoot some niggas.
Shit, we supposed to do some whole other shit today. Meet up with my nigga Sam again. Do shit with the scat pack, but I guess that nigga got caught up in some other shit. But I don't got shit else to do. So we real niggas find some shit to do. That's what happens when I go to the fucking trenches. See, I gotta beat this trash truck. I gotta beat this trash truck. Shit, they coming for us. Hold on. Look. Get the fucking helicopter.
Oh shit, where's the helicopter at?
You don't see it up there, nigga?
Oh shit, it's right there.
Bro, try zooming in on the base.
Oh. Alright, shit. Yeah, what the fuck is that? Oh, Subaru.
Come on, bitch.
Come on, you fucking slow ass Chevy. Fucking big ass red chair. Damn. Yeah, check out the fit. You know, so I got the Timbs on, got the nigger jeans on, and Kasubi or Amiri.
Still let them niggas know.
Shit.
Got that revenge.
He got that revenge on. So he got
that little shit on.
He got that, what's it called? That plain Jane bracelet.
Got the vapes on.
Got the Bapestas.
Purples.
Beamer.
That's all y'all niggas gotta know.
I heard
Y'all
him.
gotta know.
It's our real Mexicans.
Shit, we gonna hit you when we back at the spot. Damn. Look at all this shit this nigga ate. Fat piece of shit.
Too, bro.
Bro, this nigga big as hell.
Don't be trying to lie to YouTube now.
Bro,
Chat, this nigga
everything y'all see on the internet is real. This shit is not AI generated, nigga. This shit is real.
I didn't even finish my burger.
You had a burger
You
and a half.
finished everything.
Fuck no,
You finished
nigga.
everything.
You had both of them
finished
shits. You
fries.
had 2 meals to
You
yourself.
drank all his
Big ass
pop.
fucking
You drank all
nigga.
his
No,
pop.
look at this nigga. Look. Look, this shit empty as hell. My shit heavy. Look, I can't even lift it up.
My shit heavy.
I can't even lift it up, nigga.
Because you can't, nigga.
But shit,
Why you lying?
we over here. We at the range. We're gonna see what these niggas let us do. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record inside.
I shoot my finger off.
What the fuck? But anyway, y'all niggas know.
I'm gonna have to call 911.
Please help me. What they let us do?
We out here shooting these guns.
I've been shooting guns. I got bodies from way back. I spent a lot on bombs.
I'm low-key scared.
150 killers with me right now, fuck a bodyguard. I was just on the block with dirty Glocks, said all my odds we squad. I was just down on my dick, but now I'm rich with sword, we living large. Blew the Draco, tried to hit his face, but we shot off his arm. I'm in a rack in a BP lag with Polo, we finna pick up on. 100 some shots inside this truck, catch a nigga on the sports, he dying his line. They say he want a Phoenix dead, me and I ain't come back to his done.
You better be ready for that, nigga. That impact, bro. Put it closer. Next time I'll throw away your brother.
Got a fresh paper. Fresh little Johnny. It's fresh. We gonna see how I hit this one.
Alright, boys. Yeah, smoke your cigar, nigga. Smoke that cigar. I'm smoking on the ice right now. No off now, shit. You know, we just put those 7.62s in there all the time, you know what I'm saying? We really don't struggle.
See, we're gonna see.
They already see it. Yeah.
Got a fresh one. Alright, bet. It's your turn. I think it's on safety. We just got out this bitch. Shit was fun as hell, nigga. Dropping it.
Oh, I knew you was finna that gay ass shit.
That shit was actually fun as hell. I got me a membership. This shit's good as hell. It's actually fire.
You recommend coming here? Hey,
Take my little nigga in.
if you ever want to become a real shooter, this is the place to go. You become an elite shooter for real, nigga. Cause I just turned into a fucking YN for real, nigga. I'm really gonna shoot somebody. Nah, if nigga fucking act out of line. If you get out of line with me, I'm like, BOOM!
12 seconds later.
Leo, you getting a ticket? You getting a ticket?
Tell your girl to hit me up, nigga.
I'm up in the front.
Where the fuck they take this? Oh shit! This is where it gets bad.
Shit.
This nigga reckless. This nigga right here.
I'm a professional. Yeah, look at this damn. Oh shit.
ready, nigga. God, you know better. No better than to bust that you.
It's my nigga Leo. GTR Junior. Fake AMG. Another Q50.
You own my life right now, my nigga.
Oh, I do. I know I do.
Hey, look at the Habibis. I'm so racist. Oh shit. I gotta cut that shit out. It seems like we're just cruising around.
I think we're going somewhere.
I don't know. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, I'm getting pulled right here. I'm getting pulled right here.
Hey, look at 12. This nigga trying to pull us over. You ain't, Bobby.
I think you would pull me behind.
Dude, you won't. Man, nigga, fuck you. Yeah, nigga knew better. Yeah, look at him. He finna come by. He finna come past us, y'all. Look at him. Yeah, he knew better. You knew better.
You know better.
Yeah, you know better.
Bitch ass nigga.
You know better, bitch ass nigga.
That shit scared the fuck out of me.
Nigga, I'm
not a real lion. Oh, this nigga's going back.
Oh, look, that's him right there. Nigga, fuck you.
Man, fuck you.
Nigga, fuck. He definitely heard you. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's like, don't test me now. I will pull you over. Motherfucker, come do it. Come do it. I'm scared. Fuck you, MPD.
Man, fuck you.
Man, fuck you.
My little boo boo. Scared as hell. I'm scared as hell.
Nigga, you scared. I'm a fucking G. I'm a G.
Hold that bitch.
I'm a motherfucking G. Hey, I'm a motherfucking G. Remember that. All y'all niggas, I need to go hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Whoever's supporting the globe. Come subscribe to the game. Should be made.
Nigga, I was about to get pulled the fuck over.
That nigga was scared.
Bro, he got on my dick. This nigga was like this far from my bumper. I was like, no.
His ass was scared.
Oh my god.
These works?
Huh?
The bus works?
Yeah. Or somebody when we
Fuck
under that
MPD.
bro. I just think this nigga. Oh.
This nigga was finna get pulled over. Huh? This
Bro,
nigga was finna get pulled over.
Wait, so you're GTR Junior?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
They,
bro, I was
the
like,
cops from back there.
This nigga ugly to the bit. Look at him.
Get the fuck out of here.
This ugly ass nigga. Then what you got on your neck, nigga?
But he didn't pull me at all.
What
you got on your neck?
Shit.
Let me get it, bro.
You already know, nigga. I got that ice, nigga. I got some. Where you open that? Where you open that, though? Where you open that? You don't got no pendant.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Spent all his money on that Honda. Hey, but guess what? I got a pendant, though, bitch.
This a pint of red, put in the car, I call it walkie slut. I love my bitch, but every time she call, I gotta hang it up. Only watching movies with bitches, that's just to get my nut. On my way to school with a 23, that's gonna blow you up. Fuck. On a 2-man with 2 chains.
Christian! Come on! You're Rambo, come on, boy! Alright, later, bro.